Wow. Yee, boy. Yee. 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 Ay, no, la perrada. We got Gramps. Sheesh. Tacuachones. Good morning. I know it's all nasty. Surprisingly, it's about like 8 in the morning, guys. And out here in California, I want to say, what is it, the Belmont area, something like that. Unfortunately, it's been burning for the second, third time in the last 2 months. I don't know if you guys could tell, but everything's all red. And it's only 8 in the morning, guys. Welcome to the vlog, guys. This is KILOK KTV, and I am your host, KILOK K, guys. So today, I don't know what today brings us. Reason being, it's because I'm trying to get back into the rhythm of vlogging, not daily, but constantly, at least. So today, I don't know what I'm gonna vlog about. But before, look, my Great Dane just had Great Dane pups. Ponte la bonita. Ponte la bonita. Ay, 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 pilanitas. Look at the color on these pups, guys. So look, this one's white with gray and black. This one came out like a gray, black, brown, I don't know, and then this guy's all black. Oh man, pile driver. Whew. It's a little hot, guys. Let me show you a horrifying scene. Alright, ready? Ooh. It's a stupid fucking love and hate relationship with this. Look. This is the beyond neglected. Like, the Subi gods will probably throw a rod at me and say you're not worthy. Look how fucked up, nasty this guy is. Anyway, oh my god. It's so sad. I mean, let me tell you, the inside is clean, but oh my god. I am so fucking disappointed in myself. Pero el muchacho quería un Subi. Alright. I like it. Since I haven't put it together, and I don't know when I'll put it together. To be honest, guys, I'm just gonna go ahead and the least I could do is give her a wash. I feel so fucked up. So let's go ahead and give it a wash. Let me set up everything. Let me move everything so I can put it on. Pa' pendejo no se estudia, ¿sabes? Time it sees water in months. Look how fucked up. This shit hurts me the most, guys. Look, the clear's all coming off. Sorry, baby. Sorry. Aunque no corre, pero que se mire bonito, ¿eh?
Eso sí.
A ver, ¿y ese sombrero Sarigato?
Es el de zarigüeya.
Sí, es todo.
Vamos a lavar abajo porque hoy.
Pásame la
Vamos a meter hoy, sí.
¿La vas a meter como?
Como las traes.
Esto, So to be honest, this was unexpected. I just woke up and said, hey, let's show some love to Repcar. Here's this fucking ass bitch right here. She's complete. Super dirty, but complete. Today might be the day, guys. I doubt it, but it might be the day. Anywho, so let's just go real quick over it. It looks nice wet, like a lot of things. But as you could see, once it dries, you can see the difference. you know, the clear is coming off. It looks very disgusting, and I have no one to blame but myself. Chinga madre. Pero está chula la chingada todo. ¿Verdad que sí? De una vez, car wash, hit up Sarigato over there. Dile what's up a los people. Dile que se miraron el video.
¿Miraron el video? De la transmisión. ¿Qué?
Es todo. ¿Pero qué vamos a hacer a este yonke?
Pues ahorita vamos a meter el motor a este Subaru. Y primeramente Dios, hoy mismo va a estar listo.
Sheesh.
Nos arriman agua de piña.
Otra agua de piña, a ver, vamos a ver agua de piña. Shit, que los
Es lo
patrocinan.
que nos hace trabajar el día de hoy.
Angazo. Mira, no, modelo. Se está mirando.
Va a patrocinar el modelo también, porque pues... chaval.
Alright guys, so now we're gonna go ahead, hopefully get this thing running today. We're asking for miracles, I know, but you never know.
Ahí va quedando.
Alright,
Ya
so
ahorita está sentado ahí. Ya listo.
so the engine already sat with the support. Now we could take the cherry picker off. To be honest, from here on out, it should just be connecting. So let's start connecting.
Ya la llevamos, miren.
Alright, so
25 minutes, that's it.
damn, 35 minutes.
Yeah.
So we got most of the things done already, guys. The bands are done, or should I say the belts, sorry, bandas. Everything from the back is pretty much connected. Most of these connections are done. It's just that it's stupid hot, guys. Look how it looks outside. It's fucking disgusting. ¿Cómo ves, compa Chema? ¿Cómo va la obra maestra?
Ahí va, poco a poco.
Alright, well, I mean, at least you guys are updated now, so I just pretty much need to slap the intercooler into the intake. Just and then a couple little things here and there, but nothing too crazy. Hopefully maybe tomorrow we'll finish or something. ¿Verdad que sí, compa Wicho? Todo más que sí, acabo que es plática. Oh, no, ya listos, compas.
¿Listos?
Ay.
Saca la tortuga, pues.
Chema con el 6-pack.
Ah, pinche Chema Wolverine, ¿no? Yo, ay.
¿Listos? Saca la
Ajá.
tortuga, pues. ¡Hola, Chema!
¡Songa su madre! La mató la güey. ¡Sácala, Chema, la madraste! No, sácala, la desma. No, chingues. ¿El que sigue?
No, saca pues, Johnny. No, quita la tortuga, pues.
No hace nada.
No, pero casi. Venga su madre. Míralo.
Yo no tengo miedo a la tortuga.
Míralo. Ay, aguas.
Ya lo mataste, ya.
Ya, ejecución segura. Y a ver, ¿cómo te levantaste, Pachama? Para no agarrarle.
Nomás de pancita.
Voy a poner las manos abajo y
Te vas a aventar.
No.
Así como la tortuga que se cayó. Ya, se salió todo el agua.
Ya se llenó ahora sí.
And then we're back, guys. This vlog really didn't have a main purpose, I guess. It was just getting in the rhythm. We're almost done with the Subi, as you guys saw. I'm not recording too much right now of it, just because I feel like in the past videos I've done, and something happens, it always messes with the content. So I'll be vlogging it when it's ready and done. To be honest, we just need some small components. We're almost there, guys. We've been almost there for the longest, I know, bear with me. Hey, but on the bright side, we were in the water for a little bit and we decided to get a little creative. So check out these 2 TikToks that we made. We had a lot of fun making that. Creators for TikTok, you guys know, it's not as easy as ba. You have to orchestrate, practice, make sure it comes out as well or as perfect as you want it to be, and then you gotta make sure that everything's nice and blam. So check out these 2 TikTok guys. Let me know what y'all think. I really liked them. I really enjoyed them. Go ahead and follow me on TikTok, KILOK TV. And if you guys are hearing the, it's my boy out there, Max. Max. Say hi, Max. Max. Yeah, my boy's a little busy. Damn, chew it, bro. Chew it. Jeez. My boy on a good one. Anyhow, guys. Oh, now you want to say hi? Max? Eat, Popo. Eat. You guys want to go ahead and support your boy, just go ahead and subscribe to the channel. Follow me on Instagram if you guys want. It's DJ KILOK23, and same thing for my my Snapchat, DJ KILOK23. A lot of people ask why is a DJ. It's because back in my DJ days, that was my promoting my promoting page, my personal page, my everything page, and a lot of people in the DJ community knew me as, you know, KILOK, DJ KILOK, and then I transitioned to this platform, YouTube, and all that stuff, and I just stayed with it. But that's why, that's why I stayed DJ KILOK and 23, because my lucky number, guys. Yeah. All right. Anyway, guys, hope you guys enjoyed today's vlog, guys. I know it was very short, really no purpose to it. Max, I'm trying to close the vlog. Sir, I'm trying to close the vlog. Can you please? All right. Thank you. Anyway, guys, thank you guys so much for watching and listening to my boy out here. Like I said, if you guys want to go and support your boy, go ahead and hit that thumbs up and subscribe to the channel, guys. Let me know what kind of content you guys want, and yeah, we'll keep it on going. This is KILOK signing out. Do what you love what you do, guys. Till the next vlog. Yeet.